Good morning, it's Monday, I'm Devin and welcome to the TRG Money Minute. Lots happening last week, the Reserve Bank flexing their independence and announcing an interest rate increase of 0.25%. The decision really came down to the wire, with 3 members voting for a hike, 3 members voting for a hold, and the governor probably casting the deciding vote. The SARB is trying to stay ahead of inflation expectations and move inflation towards the midpoint of its target band, which is around 4.5%, running a little higher than that at the moment. Former Finance Minister Pravin last week gave the clearest analysis of state capture from inside government when he testified at the State Capture Commission. He was also attacked from all sides during the last 2 weeks, with state apparatus and opposition parties alike attempting to discredit him personally. Possibly explaining some of these renewed attacks by the EFF particularly, a Daily Maverick investigation implicated Julius Malema and Floyd Shivambu in the VBS Mutual Bank scandal, with a paper trail of evidence linking the two to stolen VBS money. In a fairly non-event, we saw President Cyril Ramaphosa announce a cabinet reshuffle. Here he filled the gaps left by late Edward Molewa and the disgraced Malusi Gigaba. He also combined the Ministries of Communications and Telecommunications, which was his first clear step in consolidating the size of the cabinet. The combination of all of this saw the rand strengthen significantly during the week, reaching a high of 13.72 to the dollar. In addition, oil continues its aggressive sell-off, teeing up the possibility of a record fuel price reduction next week. Looking ahead, we woke up to news this morning that the European Union has signed off on the Brexit deal tabled by Theresa May. However, she still has to sell this to the sceptical UK Parliament, so expect the pound and possibly UK stocks to remain choppy this week. The much anticipated G20 meeting kicks off today as well, and talks with US and Chinese leaders to be closely watched for possible resolution of the trade war. And finally, we've got South African business confidence indicators out later this week, and we're hoping to see an improvement there on the back of increasing demand and investment activity this quarter. Have a great week.